We've already covered the basics of creating a pastel shade. But let's say you're into muted colors. How do we achieve that? I'm refilling this pink. Let's use whatever's left on our palette. Now, to get a muted version of our pastel color, one sure way is mixing it with a tiny bit of its complementary color. If you took any of my color mixing class, you should already have an idea about this. Complementary colors sit opposite each other in the color wheel. For pink, which is also grouped with reds, its complementary color is green. Using our limited palette, let's mix yellow and blue to get green and slowly add it to the pink puddle. Did you see that? Did you see how the shade instantly turned into a muted pastel? Let's try it on our paper. This is so lovely. I am a fan of muted pastels. Now, what if we mix our pink with a pastel green instead? This is Celadon by Ume. Let's see how it goes. Okay, obviously this is too much and you'll know it if the color starts to turn into a neutral color instead. Let's add back pink to the mixture, and here we have another shade of a muted pink. Of course, you can also use convenient green mixture like these swatches. We have quinacridone red here, mixed with Hooker's green, permanent green, viridian, olive, and celadon. Which one do you like best? And what colors will you be experimenting with?